are probably mixing your lipstick and lip liner wrong. That's why it never looks right. Let me show you the combos that actually work in real life. Hey everyone, welcome back to Doricat Glow. Today I am sharing with you my go-to lip combos. These lip combos make you look put together even if you're not wearing any makeup. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So let's start with the first lip combo. In this lip combo, we will be using the Nykaa Lipstone Light Feisty Brunette Lip Liner, and I'll be using the lipstick from Prosh in the shade Soiree. Now this combo is my everyday no makeup combo. It's soft neutral brown liner with a peachy nude lipstick. So the liner adds shape while the lipstick adds warmth, so your lips don't look flat. And look at the shade, it's so beautiful, perfect for daily wear. So if your nude lipstick ever washes you out, you can go for one shade deeper with your liner. It will bring back life to your face instantly. The next lip combo is the Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade Magnetic Magenta with the Mars Cinemagic lip gloss in the shade Mumtaz. Using a lip gloss with a lip liner ensures that the lip gloss does not bleed into your lip line. And this lip liner gives a beautiful color to the lip gloss. A perfect combo if you want to wear it for an occasion or for parties. So if you want a fuller looking lip without overlining, what you need to do is just trace a little bit outside your natural lip line with a liner and just blend it inward. For the next combo, I'm going to use the Mars Edge of Desire lip liner again in the shade Scandalous Brown, and I'm going to pair it with the K-Beauty Matte Drama Matte Lipstick in the shade Dialogue. Now this shade is going to be perfect for any Indian skin because of its beautiful brown color, and it can be used for daily wear, for office or college as well. The next lip combo is the Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade Lusty Pink. I'm going to pair it with the Mamaearth lipstick in the shade Rose Nude. It's the creamy matte long stay lipstick from Mamaearth. I love these lipsticks. I love the packaging. It's very cute. This combo enhances the pink color of the lipstick, and it can be used daily for office or college. Here's another lip combo that I absolutely love for daily wear. In this, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Liner, and that's in the shade Hot Red. And I'm going to pair it with the Lakme Power Play 925 lipstick in the shade Brick Blush. It's a beautiful warm orange tone lipstick, and it looks beautiful with this combo, perfect for daily wear. Here's a quick tip: whenever you apply a lip liner, blend the lip liner before you apply your lipstick so that the lipstick and lip liner look blended and the lip liner doesn't show as a harsh outline on your lips. Save this video for your next makeup day and tell me in the comments which is the first lip combo that you will be wearing, and I'll reply to everyone. And if you love minimal makeup that still looks luxe, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, because next I'm breaking down how to choose the right sunscreen for your skin type, and you don't want to miss that.